So today we're heading to Kenya. I forgot my identification card. I forgot my passport. I don't know if we shall make it through. Yoga everybody, I'm Ray Moses and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my amazing friend. He's called Emma and we're just going to Kenya with him.
Yeah, hi guys. We are heading to Kenya without identification. Forgot our passports and national IDs, so we are heading to Kenya. I don't know if we shall make it, but pray for us.
Yeah, so Kenya is a neighboring country with us here in Tororo. Apparently we are staying in Tororo, and from Tororo to Kenya is around a 10 minutes drive on a border. So we're gonna jump on a border and just show you guys how beautiful Kenya is. Hope we make it through. So we're just heading to Kenya and it's so nice. Mr. Etienne edit. How are you?
Fine.
I'm just here with Mose and watching it. Bye.
Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. So we have just set off. Emma, what's up?
Guys, just wish us luck and a safe journey for sure.
Yeah, so it has started drizzling. I hope it doesn't rain on us. Man, we're having fun! Yahoo! Guys, it's drizzling. Look at my shades, look at my spectacles. It's full of rain, right? And we hope we reach there before it showers on us. We're just having fun and we are heading. Let's go! Apparently our fuel is over, but we're gonna make it. So Kenya is an East African country and it neighbors Uganda. So normally when you're going to Kenya, you have to have like a passport or a national ID, like if you're going to stay for a long time. But for us, we're just going to show you guys, how beautiful that place is. And I hope they don't disturb us as we, approach the border and, go to Kenya. So stay tuned with us and let's go. Guys, can you guess what? So this amazing border guy offered to take us through the border, he's going to drive us all the way to Kenya. So we're just excited and we're just so happy that, we're not having IDs or passport, but we hope we will just pass through the, the border. So let's see how it goes. So right about now, we're just approaching Kenya and we have $20, to spend. Let's see what $20 is going to get us in Kenya. So you can just look there, that's Kenya over there. And then right now we're just standing right in the middle of no man's land.
So here, I don't know. Maybe if a war broke out and you say that is Kenya, this is Uganda, if you're in the middle here, no one's going to touch you, isn't it that?
Yeah, so we should remain here.
We can't stay here forever and feel like, we belong to no country.
Yeah,
hey.
So if you look this way, that is Kenya. And then when I pan this camera this way, that's Uganda. Woo, we are right in the middle. We are so blessed. And you guys, Kenya. I hope the camera doesn't fall in water. Hey guys, so we are in Kenya, KY, tuko Kenya. Mambo vipi? My Kenyan friends. So apparently we are in Kenya and it's just so nice. Unaenda paka pale Malaba.
Si hapa ndio
Hapa ndo mission.
sijui mtafika wapi, uko stage ama
Nenda tu watatuacha anywhere in front there. Hey guys, so we are in Kenya right now. My phone is off. I don't have signal. I'm just on roaming. It's showing Safaricom. And I don't know, maybe, I don't know what to do. Let me just show you guys how beautiful this place is. And yeah, why not? We just looked at a bus, like a taxi written Nairobi direct. Maybe we should head to Nairobi. How do you see that? Ah, look at that, look at that.
Line ya Airtel, line ya Telcom, line ya Safaricom, SIM swap, screen protector na cover iko, SIM ya mkopa iko, karibu customer.
All our phones are, showing,
roaming. No service, so you can't call anyone. If you get into trouble, I don't know, you'll have to just help yourself for sure.
Maybe I'll get a Safaricom line.
Without the national IDs, how are you going to get a line?
Oh, by the way, speaking about the national ID, man, the border guy just passed with us through the, through the border, and it was just so nice, and Like, what business do you guys do?
We like riding motorbike.
Yeah. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. So we are just moving around here and showing how beautiful Kenya is. And then people can come and visit Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah, that is what we are doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Kenya is good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Bye.
Okay.
Wanga. Unatika sana, Swahili yangu ni fake sana. My Swahili is very funny.
Yes.
Ama niongele kiteso.
Unajua kiteso?
Eh, pia kojo.
Joko na.
Oh, tamit. Sawa. So we are here in the market street, and very many people are selling things. A lot of different things, their phones. Yeah, they're just basically a lot of amazing things here. So just get along with us, and let's just tour Malaba. And it's just so beautiful, the people are nice. I've met a couple of people, and it's just so beautiful and amazing. Malaba is just so good, Mama, hii ni pesa ngapi?
350.
350, that's how much in Uganda? I need to convert it.
10,000.
10,000. Okay. Oh my. Look at me, man. I'm looking fresh. I think I'm going to just buy this and, record the next session with this clothes. How does it look? Mama, so business inakaja hapa Kenya?
Sawa.
Kwa sawa? Hiyo ni njema sana. Asante sana. Sasa nimependa hii. Nataka hii ni safi pia. Kama nipeleke hii pia. Unaonaje?
Ni sawa.
So I'm taking even this. It looks so good. Wow. Yahoo! I'm going with 2 shirts. I can't wear both of them, of course, but I'm believing it's going to fit me. So what are you doing right now in Kenya?
Yeah, I'm working in a salon.
Yeah. Oh, you should make my hair. I want to put it right. How do you?
I don't play. Baba Salon.
Oh yeah.
I watch and that's stuff.
Oh, that's nice. So you move every day from Uganda to come to Kenya?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. Okay. Currently we're having a nice time, and yeah, so far we've just viewed the beautiful streets. We have moved around. We've bought clothes. It's just so beautiful that, yeah, I don't know what else I can say about Kenya. There is a long jam of trucks here bringing in goods, and as you can see right here. Man, look at what we found. You guys are gonna love it. Look at this. So apparently we have $10 left.
And we are very hungry, so we are trying to look for to find what.
I hope Kenya is not so expensive.
And the food may be friendly.
Yeah, so we're going to have lunch right about now, and let's go and just have lunch, you know. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this video added value to you, could you please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload new content in relation to this, share this video, and hit that like button, hit the like button and share the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.